In the earlier session, we have seen that for an SMIB system with high loading of 0.9 per unit and excitation on automatic mode, system was small signal unstable. Let's visualize the system behavior for given scenario. So creating the data files. Data file is created. Selecting the data file folder and performing load flow analysis. Again selecting the folder and performing transient stability analysis. Result files have been created. So let's observe the trajectory for various variables of the system. So opening the model and selecting the appropriate variables in the result display properties. Negatively damped oscillation is observed in electrical output power and slip trajectory of the generator, which signifies small signal instability condition for the system. Similar effect can be observed in EFD variable of excitation, that is AVR. Let's verify the same with eigenvalue analysis. The swing mode is exhibiting a damping factor of -0.02, which is an unstable case. For such system condition, power system stabilizer, that is PSS, are employed in few selected generators. Selecting the generator from the PSS design GUI and then choosing slip signal PSS. The angle trajectory for GEPS, that is generator exciter power system, is displayed. Choosing a desired lead angle of 10 degrees at 3 Hz center frequency and then entering a dummy gain of 5 units. Then choosing additional block of washout circuit and entering time constant for the same. With confirmation, it displays the GEPS trajectories for both compensated as well as uncompensated ones. So a 10-degree lead is provided by the compensator at center frequency of 3 Hz. If the displayed compensation satisfies the design, then directly proceeding to update the PSS block in the model file. For that, we'll open the model. First, enabling the PSS, and then setting appropriate design parameters as we have designed, which is listed in the editor. Gain of 5 units, and then T1 and T2 values for the lead compensator. Similarly for T2, PSS design values have been entered in the PSS slip block. Note, torsional filter is disabled. Then saving the model And since we have updated the data, so that updation should be done in the data folder also. So hitting extract data files, data file folder is updated. Selecting the folder and then performing transient stability analysis. So result files have been created. So let's observe the graphical trajectories for the scenario with PSS enabled. So opening the model and hitting result display tab. Earlier we had negatively damped oscillation in the torque, that is the electrical output power and slip trajectory of generator, but now it's well damped. Same behavior can be observed in the EFD variable of excitation. And then the PSS trajectory, since it's enabled, it's also exhibiting a dynamics. So let's verify the same with the eigenvalue analysis. For swing mode, we are having a damping of 0.09 as against minus 0.02 in the earlier case, that is without PSS.